Ah, my knees got in the way. Hey gang, let's check these out. Where's the camera? The camera's right there, so I know where to look. Perfect. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can give the channel a subscribe if you have weird taste in videos. And that's pretty much it. Hi, pals. Today we're going to be swimming in the waters of this. This is the Nike Dunk Low SB in the ACG Terra colorway. 2020 marks the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90, so it's no surprise that Nike is really celebrating that and kind of the whole Air Max line with a bunch of retros of original colorways. You've seen other models doing really nice nods of the cap to Air Max colorways, and this is no different. The Nike skateboarding department decided to join the party with this release. Gives a very heavy nod to the all conditions gear department, specifically the more popular varsity purple heavy colorways in this Nike Dunk Low SB. You got an entirely suede upper, got black vamp, black side panel, black ankle collar, and you got the varsity purple suede along the mudguard, the eyelets, the heel counter, and even on the ankle tab. You see the Nike branding in the sunburst orange, whatever you want to call it, color. You got black liner, got the Nike SB branded in red sunburst Zoom Air insole. Got secondary laces in the same red as the swoosh to make it match if you really want to. Also matches the Nike SB branding on the tongue. This is where it gets a little bit more ACG, like you got this speckled midsole with the sunburst threading throughout the entire thing, black outsole, sunburst, I guess you could call it arch support with Nike SB branding on it, which is really cool. If they didn't call it the ACG Terra, you could probably look at this shoe and be like, yeah, this is definitely an ACG thing. So I'm going to try and find some fun music, and we'll take a closer look at these right now. As with most Nike Dunk Low SBs, whether it be Pro or Premium, they generally have the fat tongue, so you're going to need to go up a half size from your true to size. Although this was I think it was a July GR. Shops are just now getting their shipments in, so I mean, with COVID going on, every release has pretty much been pushed back. So most shops will run local or regional raffles for this pair because, like every other Nike SB release over the past year, hype surrounding this is just absolutely crazy. There's no way around it. So my advice to you is to go onto your local or favorite skate shop's official website or their social media page, see if they have any information on this release. I got these from CCS. I was lucky enough to be on my computer as they released, so lucky there. My personal thoughts on these, I am not a fan of purple, but I gotta tell you, the little hints of sunburst throughout this entire shoe really makes me like them. Speckled midsole is kind of okay. I hear that's a lot of people's gripes, but that sunburst threading along with the sunburst laces make this a really nice looking shoe in my opinion. Quality wise, it's like any other general release. It's not the softest suede in the entire world, but again, you gotta remember that it's a skateboarding shoe. Pretty good release, I will say that. It's very well done. So if you're able to get a pair, I think secondary market on these right now is around $300 per pair, or maybe even more. I don't really know. I got mine for retail. I know I sound like an a-hole saying that, but I don't know if I'll be keeping them. Probably, because I really like that yellow. So there you go. That's my thoughts and the closer look at the Nike Dunk Low Pro ACG Terra colorway. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I got a couple more shoes to do these closer look videos on. We got beater boxes. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on this channel. And I'm not really committed to growth, so it's going to be a lot of the same stuff. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day, and remember to keep it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye!